circuits. Okay.
That's not so small parts, not for children. Under 2 years, let's do a warning. Don't put any parts into water because they are electronic.
That's right.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So this snap circuit kit contains
over 100 projects.
Okay, so let's start building the first project together. The first project is about electric light and switch. Let's build it. What do we need to have?
A battery.
A battery
case.
case. Yes.
What is water?
And then the
Where should we put
in C6.
it?
C down C. It's A. Yeah, C6. That's right. A, B, C. Yes. And then
Where should we put the lamp sockets?
yes, put the lamp socket in C3 to C5. Yes.
Yes. Now where
And-
should we put the slide switch?
Yes. In E3 to E5. Yes.
Now
We
Where
connect
should-
them through the wire.
like this.
Yes. Yes.
I want it to be short
Okay. That's okay.
and to here.
That's still okay. Good.
Okay?
Yes.
Then we put like this. Because
Okay.
yeah.
All right. Okay.
Look,
Now.
everybody.
Wow.
Ta-da!
Ta-da, you can down here. Everybody can still see. Now, what happened here, Ken? When you turn on the
Here.
switch.
Because like this. When I turn on the switch, it goes to
The current.
the current, the positive current. It goes inside the light. Makes the light turning on. It goes in here. It goes into the 3-wire. Then it goes to the switch. Then it goes back to the negative current.
The negative polarity of the battery. Good job. And how about when you turn off the switch? No more current, right?
Yes.
So this is open circuit. Good job, Ken. Let's continue with project number 2. It's about DC motor and switch. What do we need to have?
We still need this one, but we need to change the lamp as a motor.
Ah, okay. Now we put, yeah.
Positive to positive.
Yes, the positive to the positive. Okay. And yes.
And we-
Woo! The lamps turn on. And then, when you slide off the switch, the lamp turn off.
Let's try to
reverse the motor.
let's try to turn around, everybody.
Oh, what if you rotate the motor? What happened? Ooh, ooh! Uh-oh!
Let me
Down
go.
here.
Is it magic?
It's so magic! Be careful, protect your eyes because the fan will fly up.